Imagine this. Your favorite travel gadgets might not make it past airport security in 2026. The rules are changing fast. Today, we're breaking down 9 electronics that will be confiscated at TSA checkpoints in 2026. Some obvious, some that'll surprise even seasoned travelers. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about smart luggage with non-removable batteries, a popular travel trend that's quickly running into trouble. These high-tech suitcases are designed to make travel easier, letting you charge your phone on the go and even track your bag's location with built-in GPS. But there's a catch. If the lithium-ion battery inside can't be removed, it poses a serious fire risk, especially when stored in the cargo hold of an airplane. That's why, starting in 2026, the TSA will strictly ban all smart luggage with integrated non-removable batteries from flights in the United States. No exceptions, no matter the brand or model. If you own one of these suitcases, it's about to lose its smart features for air travel and will function just like any regular bag. The luggage industry is already shifting toward designs with removable battery packs, so always double-check before you buy a new smart suitcase. If your suitcase's battery can't pop out easily, it's best to leave it at home for your next flight. Remember, safety always comes first when you travel. Hoverboards. Remember those viral videos of them catching fire? The culprit: cheap, unregulated lithium-ion batteries. Airlines already banned them, but by 2026 expect a zero-tolerance policy for all battery-powered rideables, hoverboards, electric skateboards, and unicycles. TSA can't verify battery safety on the spot, so the blanket ban is the only way. If it's a large battery-powered rideable, it's not getting on the plane. The hoverboard airport dream, officially grounded. Leave it at home. E-cigarettes and vapes, soon to be banned from both carry-ons and checked bags. These popular devices, once a common sight in airports and on flights, are now under intense scrutiny by aviation authorities worldwide. The move comes after years of debate about their safety and the challenges they pose for airline staff and passengers alike. The fire risk is real, with devices overheating and even exploding mid-flight. Lithium-ion batteries inside vapes can malfunction, leading to dangerous situations in the confined space of an airplane. Even a small incident can quickly escalate, putting everyone on board at risk and forcing emergency landings. But there's another issue: people sneaking vapes in flight, causing smoke detector alarms and headaches for crews. Flight attendants have reported an increase in passengers trying to discreetly use vapes in lavatories or at their seats, triggering alarms and creating unnecessary panic and confusion. By 2026, the solution is a total ban. No vapes on board, period. This new regulation will be strictly enforced at security checkpoints and throughout the airport, with clear signage and frequent announcements to remind travelers of the updated rules. Travelers will need to switch to nicotine patches or gum for flights. These alternatives are not only safer but also widely available at airport shops and pharmacies, making it easier for nicotine users to manage cravings during their journey. Disposable vapes at your destination might be your only option. If you rely on vaping, plan ahead and check local regulations before you travel, as rules can vary from country to country. It's a big change, but safety and compliance are the priorities. Don't pack your vape and help keep air travel safe for everyone on board. Drones are more than just battery concerns now. It's about security and privacy. Drones near airports can shut down runways and pose major risks. By 2026, expect strict requirements: pre-register your drone, or risk confiscation. Unregistered or non-compliant drones won't make it past security. Every drone must be traceable to its operator. The days of casually packing your drone are over. If you're traveling with one, get your paperwork in order. Security comes first. Power banks, especially the big ones, are under the microscope. The hard limit 100 watt-hours, anything bigger is banned. TSA will check the printed specs, and if they're missing or worn off, your power bank could be confiscated. Most phone chargers are fine. But those massive laptop chargers, not anymore. Know your power bank's rating and make sure it's clearly labeled. Don't risk losing your backup power at the checkpoint. Stick to the rules. Portable Wi-Fi hotspots are essential for many, but high-powered or uncertified models are a problem. The risk interference with critical airport and aircraft communications. By 2026, only certified carrier-provided hotspots will be allowed. Generic or modified devices could be confiscated. If your hotspot isn't FCC approved, leave it at home. Aviation takes interference seriously. Don't take the risk. Stick to certified devices. Smartwatches with cellular connections are now on the radar. By 2026, you may need to register your smartwatch, just like a drone, linking it to your identity and travel documents. Unregistered devices could be confiscated or have their cellular features disabled at security. The goal: eliminate anonymous connected devices in secure areas. If you're traveling internationally, check the rules before you go. Registration is the new normal for connected wearables. Don't get caught off guard. Hidden cameras, like spy pens, disguised USB chargers, and button cameras, are becoming increasingly common, and they're often so well hidden that even trained eyes can miss them at first glance. That's why airport security is cracking down hard on these devices. The main concern is the risk of privacy violations and even potential espionage, both in airports and on planes, where sensitive information and personal moments are at stake. By 2026, any device where the camera is intentionally concealed, no matter how clever the disguise, will be treated as contraband and confiscated on the spot. If it looks like a pen but it's actually a camera, it's not making it past security. Journalists and investigators will need official credentials and must use visible, clearly marked equipment to avoid trouble. For everyone else, the message is clear: leave the spy gear at home. In the end, security and privacy take priority over secret gadgets. DIY electronics. Arduino Raspberry Pi project's custom circuit boards are a nightmare for security. TSA can't easily identify homemade gadgets, so they'll assume the worst. By 2026, expect most DIY electronics to be confiscated at checkpoints. Ship your projects instead of packing them. The risk of letting one dangerous device through outweighs the inconvenience. Makers, take note: air travel isn't DIY friendly anymore. Play it safe. That's 9 electronics you'll need to rethink before flying in 2026. Battery safety, privacy, and interference risks are driving these changes. Stay informed, check the latest rules, and travel smart. Which of these bans surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more updates on travel and tech. Thanks for watching. See you next time.